Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Traveled. This is it. Big step.
This is where we finally make the decision to get a second home. All right, Corey, we're getting closer. How you feeling now?
Nervous. Extremely.
He asked me 500 questions I didn't know the answer to on the way down here.
Didn't know such thing. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous.
Do you not feel confident?
Oh, I mean, I know everything is gonna go okay. I'm just still nervous about it.
Meet y'all. All right, the travel trailer, in my terms, is an earthquake on wheels.
Is an earthquake on wheels.
Because when you go down the road, it's going to be jostling, you know, when you hit a bump in the road, it's going to jostle. You want to check your roof at least once a year. See that? There should be 2 hoses right there.
Yes.
You take those caps off.
Okay.
Hurry up and get this thing open.
Mm-hmm.
And you forget it, it's going to bust us right on up our truck. Sometimes you may be a little bit off, it will slide right into place.
Okay.
You know,
How far do I know I need to lower it down?
all the way down until it starts, keep on going. I would say right about there, because then what you do is shove this,
Just make sure that I can close that.
make sure that's closed off.
Okay.
Lift up on that. Keep on going. Keep on going.
Good morning. We are headed to Northgate RV to go pick up our travel trailer. Today is the day. That's right. All that anxiousness, all that anxiety, it's all just blown right out the door today because we have no choice but to deal with it now. We own a second home. Dana, how do you feel about that? She's driving right now.
So in all honesty, I'm sleepy. I did not sleep well last night. And it's funny because it wasn't because I was thinking about this. I was thinking about some other stuff. So I'm tired. Sleepy's not the right word. I'm just a little tired. We got a lot of stuff that we're going to try to get done this weekend. So it'll be interesting. I'm excited. But for me, this is like when we go on cruises, this is like pre-monster drill. So until we actually get some of the stuff done that I want to get done and stuff, I won't be completely relaxed about this. But no, I'm excited to go pick it up. We are driving right next to a big old tractor trailer. Enjoy it now because it's going to feel worse later. But no, I feel good. I'm fine.
I don't know how much I really believe that, but we'll see.
I am. Plus, I won't be the one driving it. I'm worried about you being all up on the wheel.
Look, as long as I'm all up on the wheel, it's not a big deal. As long as I'm being safe, that's all that matters. What's the #1 rule of driving an RV?
Get there before everybody else.
Lies. She is going to have us all jackknifed and upset. And hurt. The #1 rule of RVing is to not be in a hurry.
Get there when we get there.
Don't rush. So 10 and 2, hands on the wheel, face in the steering wheel, driving 60 miles an hour. Yep, that'll be me in the slow lane. I don't care. feeling very, very nervous.
My stomach hurt.
Mine does too, but I think it's nerves.
I agree.
Is yours nerves?
Yeah.
Don't you hate that feeling like you gotta poop? And you really don't? It's just nerves?
I didn't put any lotion on. I'm ashy.
Yeah. Here we go.
Alright guys, so we're getting ready to hit the road. We've been here about 2.5 hours, and they kind of left us alone. They basically pulled it around. We hitched it up ourselves. We did the Level Mate Pro, so now we know how to easily level it. We put the hitch on, connected everything. It took a little while, but it's okay. It was our first time doing it. And this is our little instructions that we have. This is a little cheat sheet I kind of made. So, and I put pictures too, so I know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about these different parts. I have little pictures of what they're supposed to look like. So this is the one for getting ready to head off somewhere. This is what you do when you get toasted marshmallow to the campsite. So we are on our way to go and to the storage place and try to get this thing stored. All right, Corey did really, really well. He got a little frustrated at one point, but honestly, it wasn't too bad. It was just the coupler. He was having a hard time getting it to lock, and I think he realized he needed to lower it a little, the trailer down a little bit more. But he got it done. Everything's hooked up. We knew it was going to rain a little bit, but it was like 10%. But then we realized we're actually in a different place, and so here it actually rained 80%. So it's been raining. But now Corey is getting ready to be the one to drive this. I backed it up, but Corey's going to drive it. Here.
Oh, you got it. Thank you.
I backed it up onto the ball, and I think he was getting frustrated with me, but it was my first time backing it up. But I got it under that coupler thing. Anyway, I got the ball up under there. He got it hooked up, so I'm feeling pretty good. Now we just have to get to the storage place before they close, and they close in 2.5 hours. It's only supposed to take us 1.5 hours to get there. But considering this is our first time driving, I wanted to make sure we built in enough time, and I think we did. So we're gonna be good. So we are heading off. Still back there. It's still back there.
There's somebody behind me.
This thing cracks like nobody's business. It's so freaky. How are you feeling?
Still a little nervous. I feel really good that we knew all this stuff because nobody helped us.
Yep.
But I'm a little nervous because I haven't quite driven it yet. But I couldn't even tell that I was pulling anything so far. But I've only driven like 30 miles an hour.
But I felt good with you driving it just now. I mean, I felt good in terms of you felt secure and comfortable to me. I know it wasn't that far. I think it'll be easier on the highway. I mean, here you were going up and down a little hill, so I think it'll be easier on the highway.
I can't tell how far out I need to swing to get around things. So that's going to take some getting used to. Like, this is going to be a good example right here when we get ready to make this left-hand turn.
Just go wide. Tractor trailer driver.
I'm going 60 right now.
Are you kidding me? Does it feel like
61, 62.
Wow.
63.
Well, you should keep it below 65. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's 62 right now. Is this speedometer right?
I know, right?
It doesn't feel like it's right because the speedometer says 62. But my my regular speedometer says that I'm going 40.
I would look at your regular one. Maybe you can't use the digital one.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
What?
This thing was switched to kilometers. And I can't even tell if I pulled out in front of that car or not.
This is a great way to start. Oh, our first tractor trailer.
I felt it a little bit.
Not bad though, right?
I feel the more pushing and pulling type of feel.
Okay.
Then I do the sway left to right.
Okay.
Okay, here comes the tractor trailer. Woo! I don't know if that was my nerves or if I really felt it. We got it here. Took us a while to get down here because I was driving really slow and trying to be patient, but we got it here. I just did my first back end to the RV storage place, and I got it in. We'll just have to be patient. What's the first rule of RVing? You're not in a hurry. And I felt like I was in a hurry several times today. So I just have to keep remembering that so I stay calm. But we got it in here, I backed it in. The person who works here helped me get it in there. So we're good to go. Now we're getting ready to check it out and fix it up and then head on out for the day. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you really enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.